Drop the brake. There it goes. Oh man, that's crazy. So crazy, man.
Key Experience Tour. We're here in lovely Santa Anita.
This is just a cool event where people can test out the Stinger in all the different aspects.
And I think it's a really good opportunity to let people experience it. You can really see what the car can do. We have a very impressive track, very technical. Got a little bit of everything. It's got some tight corners, got some straightaways where you can open it up a little bit.
Oh my God!
Oh, 60.
365 horsepower twin turbo V6.
Wow. They have the all-wheel drive, which is really fast down the straight, and it really pulls you out of the turns.
Wow. You definitely got it right this time around.
Everyone's had a very positive reaction.
I like it a lot.
Can I go again? I honestly never expected this from a Kia.
I want one. Blew my expectations right out the water.
Thank you for such a wonderful event.